Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing superbly awesome today, and today I am here with a video full of DIYs. Yes, I'm going to show you like a couple of DIYs which you can use for your rooms, and your room will look superbly cute and awesome, and it will be helpful. Like you can say it will be like a organization thingy too. So yeah, if you want to see and if you're interested to make all these DIYs, then please keep on watching. This DIY, you will be needing this acrylic spray paint. It's a thermoplastic acrylic paint, resin quick drying paint, and after that this is the paint which you will be needing. Then you will be needing this sellotape, a pair of scissors, and a basket. This I got it from a normal local store. This is a normal basket which is usually carried by kids for their tiffin boxes and lunch boxes. So we'll be using this. So what we are going to do is we'll take this basket, we'll take one side of the basket. Okay, then with the help of this tape, I'll start making the zigzag lines. I'll start applying the tape in between, like interval, like alternately I'll apply the tape accordingly, and then first I'll show you how to do it. So let's see. Now with the help of this tape, I'll just make the zigzag line accordingly. So this is the tape, and just randomly, not taking any kind of measurement or anything, and just applying the tape from this end this way till here, like this. One strip I know you won't be able to see because it's a transparent tape. So this is my one tape. Then I'll take another strip and I'll just, on little bit of distance, I'll take little bit of distance like this distance, and then again I'll just start applying the tape in little bit in tilted direction like this, and again I'll just cut it off the excess and I'll just do like this. So this is my second strip. Then I'll do the third one. I'm done with this tape. I hope you can see these tapes. I have applied everywhere, like in the zigzag direction. Now what I'm going to do, thing properly so that my paint doesn't go on that side. So I'll just start applying my tape inside like this. I'm applying my tape inside this part, and I'll just put it inside this basket like this way, just to save it from my excess color going that side. Just make sure that you place the newspaper, otherwise you will start spoiling everything. So this, it to dry. After drying, this is the product. Okay, now just allow it to dry it, and the basket, I'll remove the excess tape and I'll start removing it from here this way. You can see design. Remove off the tape carefully. Just remove off the excess tape. Now start removing the tape carefully. Second tape. Third tape. Just be careful while removing, otherwise this kind of thing can happen. Now you can see how beautiful it is looking. The design is looking so cute and so nice. Now, hey guys, today I'll show you how to decorate your laptop. For this you will be needing your laptop and a washi tape. It's easily available in the market. A pink color washi tape I'm taking. This is again a tape. This tape you can see. It's decorate your item. This kind of tape, it's available in market. It's made in China and it's in purple lace color. First scissor for this. Then what I'm going to do is I'll take my laptop like this and I'll just take this washi tape and I'll just pull this washi tape out properly like this, and I'll just start making this zigzag design on it this way, and I'll just cut off the excess from the ends this way. We'll see, we'll finish it later. Then again I'll just make it in this way, just tape it off. I'm just making it. I hope you can see it. Now with the help of this purple tape, that is my paper tape you can say, I'm just taking off, and this behind, it's like a sticky thing. You just need to remove this off like this, and you just need to apply it again, same this way, just cutting off the this way. Now make sure that you turn off the excess this way. Just turn it inside. So finally we have our laptop, DIY laptop thingy. I just love this so much. It's so beautiful. Okay, now this is the DIY basket which we made. Now this is my laptop which will go inside this like this. Okay, then up inside it, then goes my charger inside it this way, and then the last thing is my mouse inside it this way. So we are almost done with our laptop basket. Isn't it amazing and cute, guys? With that, we come to an end to this DIYs. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. It was superbly simple. If you create or if you do any DIY, any one of them, then please click pictures and email me or Instagram like hashtag MonalSingh29. I would love to see them. And of course, if you like such more videos, then give a thumbs up. And if you liked it, then please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And of course, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.